So we're not professionals at this. Hello, this is Jake and welcome to another video. Today we are putting skirts on the Fiat 500 POP. Vincent is here to help.
Hello.
The skirts are out here. I don't think I've ever done a video on these, but these come when I had the Fiat POP and we put the front bumper on and the back bumper. We're not going to be drilling any holes. They are going to be stuck on with Tiger Seal, which is this amazing stuff here. So whilst the Porsche is away, I thought we'll get this area cleaned out and we'll get the skirts on here. It's my brother's car, so he's not going to be back for a couple of days, so he's not going to have any idea, and I'm going to see how long it takes him to notice the change. So we're going to clean the car up, set the tripod up and everything, clean the skirts up, reverse the car back so we got flat area, test fit them, put stuff against it so we know how we're going to hold them overnight. And yeah, let's get going with that. I'll have an update on Fiat 500 soon. We may have fixed the brake problem, and an update on the Porsches coming as well as the smart car. So yeah, let's get going. Right, a starter on a Fiat POP with an Abarth exhaust. That way you can get to both sides of that. So what you got to do is just hold it.
Holding it there. Come out back here, isn't it?
Yeah. That's it.
Let's see.
Well, that's a pretty good fit. What's underneath like?
There's the bolt holes underneath.
Yeah, don't worry about that. There you go, stick inside. Lift up again. There you go. That's about right. Is yours flush on the back then? Your back bit flush?
Not on the back.
Is that on that?
On the arch, but it's on there.
That'll work.
Once it's
Right. Leave your end at the moment. I'll just. Right, so we've put, what's it, 4 bricks across this timber, and that's holding up from there to your corner.
it's about there.
Well, we got Tiger Seal. I must put a link in the description where you can get Tiger Seal, but it's very good stuff. Right, Tiger Seal, here we go. I've got one in the video, but this is all new to me. I only saw someone do this, so.
Actually, this side, wouldn't it?
Yeah, you can go in there if you want. Where's that on that? Trying on litter. Need a bin down here, really. So we've removed all the clips. really only need minimal on that. Right, let's go stick them on. Bottom in first, like this angle now. Put the bottom in. That piece of wood, move that for a second. And then, yeah, so just put your... Yeah, don't worry about, just get that bottom in first. Don't worry about pushing it. Right, start bending a bit. Right, more your way. That's in and that.
Yeah.
Lift that then. That's him. Right. Yeah. I'll make sure I'm not putting weight on the block underneath it.
That's him.
Right, we just need to put a slab here then. Right, grab the gun. I'll show you where to go. So start from this end. Yeah, there might be a gap. Yeah. This side ain't going nowhere. I do. Right, so what you want to do, squeeze the line from here on this side of the things.
Yeah.
All the way down. That's still soft on there. Yeah, still soft. There you go. Yeah, so from that. That's him. You might have to give it another push. Yeah, don't worry about it going down there. Just keep going. That's him. Go right up to here. Because this don't actually touch the car. That's what I made a mistake with last time. And then just go up and back down the other way on the other side. That's him. Give it another, make sure it's quite thick on that. I put too much on the other side probably, but it ain't gonna hurt. I ain't gonna use it for anything else.
Well, what it's saying, less is more.
That's it. Squeeze again. Okay, I am sweating like hell, but we have them on. Well, you can't really see that side, but all the slabs piled against it and everything. Same for this side. There you go. Yes, I know they're red and the car's white, but so is the back bumper. So yeah, they're on now. So now we got to let this dry overnight. Well, what time is it now?
More, it's 2:30.
2:30, so they'll be dry by the morning. They should be dry by 9, to be honest, but we'll leave it overnight. We don't have to move the car at all, just done the window up and everything. So yeah, we just got to wait and see. So I did have to wipe some of the black stuff off with the Terps, which I put a lid on. Vincent helped.
Yeah.
Enjoyed it.
We'll find out what we'll be like in the morning, won't we?
Yeah, and find out what happens when you hit a speed bump. But it shouldn't. I had no problems with the Porsche. It's the same method, to be honest. So we're not professionals at this, but it'll do the job. The cars are cheap, run around like I said earlier, so it's just to change the look. And we might possibly have this car wrapped in the near future. We'll see. See how things go. But we'll leave it overnight now, see what happens in the morning. If they're still on there, there's no reason they should move. The car's not going to be moved at all. So yeah, we'll see what happens with that. I'll let you all know in the next video. So thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. Link in the bottom of this video for Vincent's channel, and we'll go from there. Bye for now.